Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss what display a star pattern like this format. Next I am going to discuss about the trial method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that coincides. So I have taken two integer variable. First is I, next j. Hereafter control comes to for loop. So I value start from 1. That check that is 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide. So j value start from 1 and check 1 equal to 1. Condition is true. That coincide here. That print star. Now hereafter that co-op increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 1. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console class dot write line method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that co-op and increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 5. Condition is true. That coincides. So at j value start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 2. Condition is true. That coincide here. Console class dot write. Then that print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 equal to 2. Condition is 2 that coincide here. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 2. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter console class dot write line method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter I increase, so I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincide. J value start from 1 again. Here, check the condition 1 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 3. Condition is 2 that coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 3. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. Console class dot write line method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is now 4. Check the condition for less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincide here. J start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 4. Condition is 2 that coincide here. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 4. Condition is 2 that coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 4. Condition is 2 that coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 equal to 4. Condition is 2 that coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 less than equal to 4. Condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter console class dot write line method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide here. J value start from 1. Or check the condition 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide. That print a star. Hereafter j is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5. Condition is not true. Not coincide. Hereafter console class dot write line method. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5. Condition is not true. Not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this one console cast dot return method. So this take one input from keyword and terminate the output scale. And thereafter that out from main function. So final output we get this all, and this is the trend method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you next time.